Hey guys, I'm Kafri. This channel is about hula hooping and this video is a tutorial for transition between the backwards escalator and wedgie. So grab your hoop and let's go. So, before we will enter the tutorial, I would like to ask you one thing. If you will like this video, hit the like button, subscribe. I know it's kind of crazy to remind all the time about this, but this is how things work in here, okay? So, for this tutorial, we will need two tricks, the backwards escalator and the wedgie. If you are still having trouble making these tricks, then check out the tutorials I have on my channel. The links you can find in the description below, okay? So, the steps in this transition will be to enter the backwards escalator by touching the back of your neck, letting the hoop drop. I like to help myself here with the hand, like attaching the hoop a little to help me guide it while I'm going down and bringing the leg up, okay, so that it's prepared and I can stick it to the back where the hoop will drop on it. And I step these foot on the ground with the hoop attached and I place the other leg to the back and I'm in the initial position for the wedgie, okay? So this is like step by step, a little hard to explain in this slow motion, okay? Let's take a look once again. So the backwards escalator, here I attach it just to help me. Take out the leg and attach it with the other foot, switch them and enter the wedgie. Okay, so let's go. Let's try to drop it down. When it's here, you want to attach it with the hand. Take the leg out, stick it to the back, attach with your foot, and place it on the ground. Go back with the other foot and push into wedgie. Okay, now let's go a little more into details and hints in the resume part. What is the crucial and super important part in this transition is the weight transfer. So you transfer the full weight of your body from one leg to another. So once you enter, you want to elevate these legs. So all the weight of the body has to be on the second one. Then you want to stick it to the back, step towards the ground, and here you transfer all the weight again to this leg to be able to step back with the second one, okay, and enter the wedgie. So try to find this balance and transferring the weight from one leg to another, okay? It is also possible to perform this trick without this help of your hand. However, for me, it was also always kind of tricky, and anyway, it doesn't look bad or, it doesn't feel bad if you help yourself in here, so don't hesitate about this, okay? Then, after entering the wedgie, when you do this step, I like to use this power and go a little harder in the wedgie and elevate the hoop back up, okay? So, yeah, I think that's it. If you have any additional questions, leave them in the comments. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel to get more tutorials. The new one is already upcoming, so I see you by then.